Hello, I'm Aaron Cole, and I help people make great real estate investments. Thank you for tuning in to my real estate investment channel. I'm pretty excited about this episode. The topic is something that may surprise you. Recently, I conducted an informal survey with several business owners that I knew. I asked them, what is the lowest capital gains tax rate currently? And they all answered 15%, and I think that's the general consensus, is that 15% or 20%, those are the two long-term capital gains tax rates that are available in the current tax code. So it may really come as a surprise to you that the actual lowest long-term capital gains tax rate that's available in the current IRS tax code is 0%. I'll say that again, 0% is the lowest long-term capital gains tax rate. Did you know that? This 0% tax rate has been in the tax code since 2008. Personally, I used this 0% tax rate last year in 2017 when I sold part of a business, had a pretty substantial gain, and I worked with my accountant very, very closely to make sure that it kind of fit within all the little hurdles that are needed to be able to take advantage of this 0% tax. And I had a pretty substantial gain, and I didn't pay any long-term capital gains tax on that gain. In fact, and I wish I could find the article. If I do, I'll do an update on this video, but there's an article that I read recently that gave the amount of money that's been saved by investors who have sold investments and taken advantage of this 0% tax rate. It's a huge number, an enormous number, and so there are a lot of people that are aware of this, and their accountants are aware of this, and they're really benefiting by taking advantage of this. A few details to mention, just a couple things. This is not a real technical video. It's just really to make you aware of this opportunity and a few of the things about it. So the income limitations, those are really the trick. For 2018, if you're a single filer, you need to have your income at or below $38,700, and if you're a married filer, that income limitation is at or below $77,400. This, I got to say, this may seem difficult to achieve, and for many people who are selling investments and properties, these income limitations will probably take this 0% rate out of reach. But there are a few really good opportunities that do work. A few of them are, if you've been out of work for a period of the year, you may be able to get your income down. If you're a salesperson and your income fluctuates significantly from year to year, that could be an opportunity. If you're a business owner, for the same reason. And a lot of people that I sell properties for, rental properties, duplexes, they're at retirement or getting close to retirement. That's a real good opportunity as well, because they're potentially going to be able to manage their income, and they might choose which years they sell some of these properties to make sure that they're able to take advantage of the 0% rate. I don't know many, in fact, I can only think of one, other opportunities to take advantage of a tax-free gain. It's not really a pleasant thought. An investor or an owner dies, and his or her heirs receive what's called a step-up basis. That's about the only other thing that I can think of where you can receive a tax-free gain. But the bottom line is that if you're considering selling an investment or a rental property, saving a lot of tax dollars is important to you, then you'll want to talk to me or a tax professional to see if you can take advantage of this long-term gains, 0% capital gains tax rate. Thank you for tuning in. That's our information for today. If you have questions, my contact information is below the video. I'd be happy to talk to you. And again, thank you for tuning in.